In break-even, we need to find out about the margin of safety. The margin of safety is the difference between how much we plan to make and the break-even point. Easy for me to say, much easier to show you on a graph. So here we have a break-even graph. You can see you've got the yellow as our sales revenue, we've got the total cost in grey, and we have the fixed cost in blue. And the break-even point here is at 4. So if I sold 4 crates of cakes, I would break even. My sales revenue would equal my total cost. So I know my break-even point, so it's my planned output that I need now. I am planning to make 8 crates of cakes. So this is how much I plan to make. And you can see I'm planning to make a profit because my sales revenue is above my total cost. Hooray! Now, the margin of safety is the difference between the two things. So the margin of safety is the difference between the planned output of 8 and the break-even level of 4. So my margin of safety is 4 crates of cakes. So what this really means to a business is I am planning to be 4 crates of cakes away from my break-even point. Because obviously I'm predicting the future with break-even, so I can get it wrong by 4 crates of cakes and I will still cover my costs. That's a decent size of break-even at this level of production. If I was a new business who had never done this before, I might be fairly poor at predicting my costs and my revenues. So I would want a large, comfortable margin of safety so I could get things wrong and still not make a loss. If I was an established business and I knew exactly what I was doing, I could operate with a smaller margin of safety because I'm probably going to be quite accurate in my predictions. So I can plan to have a smaller margin of safety, a smaller sort of little cushion that I can get wrong. So just to repeat, margin of safety is the difference between how much you plan to make and your break-even point.